Hi, Mondo. Hello, everybody. Welcome to a quick little episode of the Handmaidens. We're out here in the backyard in our tiny little simple home in the Northeast where we're just beginning to chip away at our yard work. And boy, do we have a lot of yard work. We got more yard work than most people because we don't do any in the fall because we like to maximize our leaves for the nutrition for the dirt. But one thing we have an abundance of is sticks. Boy, do we have sticks. And we found that this neat, dandy, nifty little tool that helps us with that. It's the Sunjoe 14 amp wood chipper. This is not the wood chipper where you find the body, man. This is just the right size for small twigs and sticks, and Mondo's going to show us how to do it. Notice Mondo's got his goggles on and his work gloves, and he's doing everything safe. Don't put your hands or anything in the chipper. Come on, Mondo, let's see how it goes. We're going to use this to make wood shavings and wood chip mulch for underneath the swing set here, so it doesn't grow grass there anyhow. So this is just perfect for the kids, so they don't hurt their feet, and we protect the ground from erosion. So let's see how it works. A little bit noisy, but that's all right. And it goes, and out it comes. Free mulch. You can't get better than that. Free mulch, right from the stuff in the backyard. It's got a little tool there to help push the sticks in that get stuck. Some of them do because they're weird shapes, odd shapes. Mondo's going to help it along. We love this guy. Back. There he goes. There he goes. Yep. Look at that go. Making just cleaning up the yard. That easy. Easy breezy. Cleaning it up. Look at it go. Making free stuff out of our mess. I love it. We don't have to go to the lumber yard to buy any mulch to go under the swing set. This is perfect. Alright. Out it comes. Okay, I highly recommend it. Yep, fun too. Mondo loves doing this. Okay, Mondo, we can turn that off for a second. We don't want to make everyone do all the work with us. I just want to say that one of the nice things that we do out here, and it's a sunny day today. Tomorrow's going to be a rainy day. It's going to rain all weekend. We like to make the most of every day. Like my Nana always said, who lived to 107, we got to listen to Nana. Go outside every day for at least an hour a day. She went outside even when the weather was crappy, but we're going to at least get out when the weather's nice. Another thing, when Mondo wears his Fitbit, when we're doing lazy winter, he does about 2,000 steps a day. Come summertime, without even going on a walk, he'll do 20,000 steps just right in the backyard. Imagine that. Having fun. Doing what my father ever said, there is no such thing as work. It's all exercise. So it's good for your body. It's good for your health. It's living the natural, simple life, making things better. We'll be cleaning up this yard, probably until, I would say, May or June. And then we'll be doing some planting frenzies and things like that. But it was nice to talk to you today. Enjoy the spring. Get outside. Get yourself a Sunjoe chipper. We're not sponsored by them, but I just love all the Sunjoe stuff. We've got a steamer. We've got a Sunjoe. We got a Snowjoe shovel. We got a Sunjoe battery-operated lawnmower. Wait till you see that baby in action. That thing is the best. All right. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. Enjoy the sunshine. We love you. And Mondo, what do you want to tell everyone?
Like and subscribe and hit the bell for notification. Right down there.
Right. And don't forget to comment if there's anything you want to know, anything you want to see a video on. Tell us about some of your great yard tools and what you like to do in the springtime. Okay? Take care, everyone. Enjoy the day. Bye-bye.